Look in Etsy, all this sticker shop selling hundreds and even thousands of dollars worth of stickers. This shop alone is making over $70,000 in just stickers. You can do this too, without any design knowledge and 1 hour a day or even a week of your time. So are you ready to make amazing stickers? Let's get started. Step 1. Let's get our prompt from Chat GPT. Okay, let's go to Google and type in Chat GPT. The first link is the one we want to click. Once inside Chat GPT, we're going to type the following prompt. Here is a formula for ideogram prompts. Subject 2D flat illustration sticker design with text saying text in the style of Halloween. Please respond with yes if you understand this prompt structure for ideogram. Now click enter or send. Chat GPT will confirm that it understands our prompt, and that's exactly what we wanted. Finally, we're going to ask Chat GPT to give us 10 random prompts using that formula. Since we are in Halloween time, I'll be using a Halloween style. You can change that into any style as you like. These are some great results. I'll choose one, and I believe I like prompt number 7. So let's go ahead and copy this prompt and jump into step number 2. Step 2. Let's get our prompt and paste it on ideogram.ai. Okay, let's go to Google and type in ideogram.ai. The first link is the one we want to click. Once inside Ideogram, we're going to paste the following prompt. Haunted house, 2D flat illustration sticker design with text saying creepy castle in the style of Halloween. Now click enter or send. Now we wait for Ideogram to generate us a couple of stickers. Wow, those look great, but I think I like this one. Go ahead and click it and click download. Let's go to step 3. Enhance our sticker. Okay, let's go to Google and type in Enhance AI. The second link, upscale.media, is the one we want to click. Once inside upscale.media, we're going to upload the sticker we downloaded from Ideogram. The enhance will start immediately. Once it's done, click on where it says 4x to enhance or aka upscale out sticker by 4 times. This should give us a nice crisp large sticker that we can print and sell. Afterwards, just click download to download your new upscaled sticker. Let's go to final step. Step 4. Remove the background of our sticker. Okay, let's go to Google and type in remove BG. The first link is the one we want to click. Once inside remove.bg, we're going to upload the sticker we enhanced and downloaded. The background removal process will begin immediately. Once it's done, you have 2 options. You can either download regular 500 by 500 image or an HD version, which is 2000 by 2000. Remember, you can only download an HD version if you upscaled the sticker. Like we did otherwise, you'd only have the 500 by 500 option. The HD version requires an account and will possibly require pay credits to download multiple times. At least first time is free to try. For the sake of this video, I'll download the original image, so I'm going to click download now. And here the final result of our sticker. Now that you know how to create amazing stickers, you too can make lots of money in Etsy. An hour a day or an hour a week does not matter. You got the power of AI in your hands. Now go and make money. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It'll help us by letting the algorithm know about this video. Your support means the world to us. And we can't wait to see you in the next step of this incredible journey. Thanks for being part of our community. And until next time, keep building, keep creating, and keep innovating.